Now, we have a tune, and we don't even know how it sounds, because that's the way, that's right. We have no idea how it sounds, because we've never heard what the hell he's gonna do, but it's still gonna be all right now. Mike, make a profound statement.
Booyah, introduce the sound that'll ruin ya, screwing ya in more ways than Todd Smith be doing ya, pursuing the K to the O. It's like who in the hell left the gate open? In other words, you ain't ready for these lyrical nightmares we giving out like Freddy. Machete for those who slept heavy, readily falling behind, steadily sucking mine like spaghetti. A pimp you thing, we toss a jam like confetti.
UNITY, Mike and I on the MIC, plus Russ on the keys makes 3, completes the KO to the T. I execute the style freely, easily. I approach the mic leisurely. Epitome if you Zach, you ask who's that? MC squared and sound man extraordinaire. Miscellaneous material collaboration, instantaneous, spontaneous. That which is unpredictable, unexpected, of no deliberate origin, made material by some random force. Or in the case of creativity, an imaginative spark that emerges from nowhere, but somehow seems to solidify the creative effort into a work of art. Spontaneity.